Hi guys, welcome to Cwin's Playtime Channel, and today we're going to show you this is the instant pot. Now we have mushrooms, garlic. I also put onions and of course ground pork. Okay, so let's add the pasta and the sauce. So add the spaghetti noodles. Add the spaghetti sauce on top of the noodles. Okay, and then I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. And then Italian seasoning. And salt. And a bit of sugar. I usually use brown sugar so it won't be that sweet. Okay, let's cover. So make sure that the nozzle is at the okay, so after we lock, let's plug instant pot and let's set this to okay, so there's no more pressure. Now let's open and let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's see. Stir this a bit. What happened to the spaghetti? So there are chunks of ground pork, so we'll just try to break them up. Okay. Stir. Now let's taste. So some of the noodles got stuck together, okay, like this one, but most of them did not. Okay, so there are a few that got stuck together. The overall taste is very nice. It's actually delicious. Okay, I used to cook spaghetti in the stove, and I think this is better.